Hello everyone, today we are gonna see what's the best gift that you can give for your chefs at your kitchen, and it is the Royalty line kitchen knife set. Now let's see what comes in it. So it contains 8 pieces with an acrylic stand. So let's unwrap it. And here we go. It has got a beautiful acrylic stand and it is turnable. It has a very nice glossy finish. And what else? There is a cleaver, a chef knife, a bread knife, an utility knife, a paring knife, a scissor, and a sharpener. The knife has got a very sharp edge that you can chop it in a single go. And this is the chef knife. This you can use it to cut the bigger vegetables. The bread knife for slicing your bread, and it has got beautiful wedges so that you can make your bread loaves very easily. This is your utility knife which you can use to cut smaller vegetables. And the final one is the paring knife. This you can use to peel your vegetables or fruits. The set comes with a sharpener so that you can sharpen your knife whenever it's necessary. So here is the complete set, and the product is from Swiss. It has got a very nice metallic handle. Hope your chefs would love it, and it is the best gift to decorate your kitchen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.